Now let me introduce you to Gael. He's 9 years old and he is a real hero of the sea turtles. Here, he told me that there is a turtle in danger. So we went to help her. When we reached the turtle, we found this awful situation. She had this heavy rope tangled to her hind flipper. The heavy rope cut into her flipper so deep that it was holding on the bone. Please notice how deep is the injury. Here I thought that cutting the rope with a knife might be the only way, but then I realized that I can still disentangle it. So as you can see, at one point the turtle stayed calm. She didn't try and move forward anymore. She understood that I was there to help. So at this point, after who knows how many thousands of kilometers and how many years of carrying this heavy rope, she is finally free from it. This turtle had this to her flipper for who knows how long. A heavy stuff. I hope she will recover soon.
Yo vi una tortuga con esto en la pierna y no deben tirar de estas sogas al mar porque si no las tortugas se enredan en sus piernas, por eso se dañan y casi por eso se mueren.
If you find this documentary is useful and you would like to stay updated, please consider to subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much.